Welcome to Sales Cookie, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to touch on 5 key challenges associated with using spreadsheets to manage your sales commissions and how commission automation solutions such as Sales Cookie can solve those challenges for you. So as a backdrop, I'm using a blog title, still using Excel to calculate commissions. Think twice. I'm not going to touch on all the details that our tech teams put in here, so please go back for reference as you see fit. If you have a simple commission program and just a few sales reps, using spreadsheets makes total sense. However, as your commissions program mature, you get more reps, you're going to notice that your work is becoming really repetitive. It's very time consuming to generate and send out spreadsheets. Reps want real-time access to their statements. Managers want visibility on the team's performance and so forth. So what are the common challenges associated with spreadsheets? So let's walk through each of these pretty quickly. Number one, generation and distribution. So as you know, there isn't a way to generate spreadsheets in a bulk. You're going to have to do one template at a time. If you need to make an adjustment, you're going to have to regenerate them. And then also from a manager perspective, they don't have good visibility. They're either going to have to look at individual spreadsheets, or you're going to have to generate a new combined spreadsheet for your managers. And then generating commission spreadsheets takes a lot of time. So whereas using Sales Cookie, you could eliminate a lot of those challenges. So let's go take a look. For example, I'm within Sales Cookie. I can run this commission plan called one-off sales contest for an entire period. I can quickly see all the beneficiaries or reps that are part of it. I can quickly see how they've been credited. I can see the reward calculation in one shot rather than have 10 spreadsheets floating around. So that's really important. Number two, versioning and time dependency is another challenge associated with using spreadsheets. So as things change throughout the year, you don't really have a good way within a spreadsheet to document those changes. You need to do another version of your master spreadsheet. You can do some time-dependent variable lookup within Excel or Google Sheets, but that gets complicated pretty fast. So again, as an example, within Sales Cookie, if I'm within my plan, I can set up a custom variable on all our reps so that that's time dependent. The plan would go check on rep A, how did they perform against their Q1 quota and so forth. Whereas in a spreadsheet, that gets tricky pretty fast to do. Number three, transparency and reporting is another challenge that we see a lot. So your reps don't understand often how you've calculated their commissions, if you've deleted the formulas or if you keep the formulas. A lot of times they don't really understand how you came up with this complicated formula, and that just leads to confusion. Whereas using a system like Sales Cookie, you can have a clear set of commission components. You can auto run your calculations daily, auto release to your reps daily, so their dashboard gets updated, and the managers have global visibility to their team. So for example, in a manager incentive or dashboard, you can see quickly some quick trends that the manager can see. Great, this person's been doing good, but here they're trending downwards. And as a manager, they can go into the dashboard of any of their direct reports and see how the team is trending against each other. So that's extremely good. Number four, accounting and financial compliance. So this one's a big one, and ASC 606 is a good example of that, where you want to amortize the cost of commissions over time. That's definitely not easy to do in terms of using a spreadsheet. Another piece of compliance is legal compliance, where how are you enforcing plan terms and acceptance. Within Sales Cookie, you can centrally manage that, for example. And the last challenge we see with using commission spreadsheets is calculation errors, right? Whenever you have a formula that breaks up, or you can't explain, how are you pulling it, explaining that. Spreadsheets are also not live because they're not pulling data from your CRM or accounting system, unlike Sales Cookie, which is pulling data hourly. So these errors can erode trust, as an example, which can be very costly. And then every calculation, for a commission needs to run through 4 specific stages in terms of evaluating a transaction, crediting the right user or teams, tracking the attainment against metrics, and then giving out the correct reward. So again, Sales Cookie has a very easy process to do all of that in one shot across your plan for all reps for a specific time period. So in conclusion, we talked through the challenges associated with using spreadsheets to manage commissions and how a system such as Sales Cookie can solve many of those challenges for you. Any questions, drop us a line or visit us online to learn more about our system. Thanks. Take care. Bye.